Discover smart and simple living at June Homes, 90006, Los Angeles. From convenience to campus closeness, your new LA home has it all. Choose from elegant en-suites and non-en-suites with private rooms and bathrooms, offering a cozy bed, generous closet space, and premium hardwood floors. Skip the laundromat runs, as on-site laundry facilities are available for your convenience. Your new kitchen is well equipped for all your culinary adventures, so whip up something delicious to enjoy with golden hour views on your balcony or a movie on your new TV. Feel free to roll in with your wheels. There's secure parking available on-site. And guess what? A sweet stroll or quick drive can transport you to Mount St. Mary's University, Doheny campus, and the University of Southern California in just a few minutes. You're never late. Roam the City of Angels with ease by catching a bus on Vermont or Washington with easy transit options available. Well, your awesome LA University experience starts here. Book your room at June Homes, 90006 in Los Angeles via amberstudent.com now.